And then hold in your heart this prayer. This day of my life will never come again. I will never see the people I am looking at again. I will never see the sunrise again, and I will never see that sunset. I will never see the person having breakfast with me again, just this way. No, nothing in my life like this will ever come again. That alone, that choice alone, should take out of your heart every bitter taste there is. That it should shape the life around you with such grace and such beauty. That it make you only want to see the present with great gratitude and love. Thank you.